So guys, ito po lahat ng medals ko. Kinder to grade 3. So, So, today, andito tayo sa school. So, recognition day ngayon. So, before we start this video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
feel very privileged and honored to welcome you all to this very significant day in our academic calendar. Recognition Day is one of the two most important dates that we all await for, next to graduation, and pray hard to eventually succeed. So again, welcome and may God bless us all.
It is my honor to present to you the cream of the crop for this school year. 56 honor pupils and 47 special awardees. Palakpakan po natin sila. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I can see that you are all excited. You are all excited for different reasons. For the awardees, they are excited to get their medal. For the parents, they are excited to walk with their children or with their grandchildren on the stage to receive the award. May I request the awardees to clap your hands for your parents. Ayan, parents. They are grateful for all the things that you have done. That award is also for your teachers. Because of their hard work, their support and guidance, you are now about to get the award.
Smell Eliza S. Andalos. Ayesha Colleen L. Barameda. Angelica Claire B. Cortesano. Melanie Joy A. Ribua. Paul Jacob R. Redito. Terence Gabriel B. Sarahan. Advisor, yours truly.
I have the honor to present to you the honorable Hills of May 4 holidays. With high honors, Kia Asia A. Miraflores.
She's also a participant in Science and Mathematics English during the regional schools press conference held in Las Vegas, City last October 15 to 17, 2018. She also got the 5th place in editorial writing English during the regional schools press conference held last 7th place during the 2019 Metrobank MTOP DepEd Math Challenge Team Oral Competition. Juji C. Mandali, 3rd place during the 2019 Metrobank MTOP DepEd Math Challenge Elimination Round. And 7th place during the 2019 Metrobank MTOP DepEd Math Challenge Team Oral Competition. Mitchell Hannah P. Armenia, participant during the 2019 Metrobank MTOP DepEd Math Challenge Elimination Round. Coach, Professor Alan L. Lucilo. Jacqueline S. Acuna, 4th place during the 2019 Metrobank MTOP DepEd Math Challenge Elimination Round. 3rd place during the 2019 Metrobank MTOP DepEd Math Challenge Team Oral Competition. Mark Justin T. Sevilla, 2nd place during the 2019 Metrobank MTOP DepEd Math Challenge Elimination Round. 3rd place during the 2019 Metrobank MTOP DepEd Math Challenge Team Oral Competition. Mark Justin is also a passer and top scorer in the MTG Mathematical Challenge for Filipino Kids training program at UST Legazpi. He is also a qualifier to attend to the 2019 Young Mathematicians In-House Intensive Training Program on April 13 to 16 at Canyon Woods Resort Club, Tagaytay, Batangas. 6 to 10, 2019 at Masbate City. And he is also a qualifier for the Palarong Pambansa. Rayvon G. Bracamonte. 5th place in our niece during the city meet held last November 5 to 9, 2018 at Legazpi City. Participant in our meets during the city meet held last November 5 to 9, 2018 at Legazpi City. James Andrew O. Habalo, 3rd place, chess. Juliana Isabella O. Landagan. Pride and honor entitled to every BUenyo. Let us all continue to work together to be known as an institution of a positive force, a human resource with enormous potentials in creating and developing awareness and excellence, not only for ourselves, but for worldwide competitiveness. This has been your Master of Ceremonies for today, Earl Vincent Vista, saying congratulations and mabuhay, BICOL University. Ladies and
Hey guys, so tapos na po kami kumain. So, andito po si Chloe sa swing. Tapos, andito po kami sa buffet sa may airport. So, mamaya po, ipapakita ko sa inyo mga medals ko. So guys, andito po kami sa buffet. Ooh, may swing dito. And, yeah. So guys, next time pupunta po tayo dyan sa Union Hill. Mag-vlog po kami dyan. Wow. So guys, make sure you turn on the notification bell para yung pag-vlog namin sa Union Hill hindi niyo ma-miss. Tapos guys, pag aalis po kami, mag-airplane po kami. Dito po kami. Yung parang sa dito kasi kami sa airport. Ayan. Sandito po si Chloe. Kumanta po siya kanina.
Lagi ako nandito.
Nalala ko pa yung dati, nagpa-picture kami dyan, oh. Nagpa-picture kami doon sa may, yan. Diyan sa may view.
Subscribe po kayo.
Sa Kripke.
Sa Kripke. Ito ang spelling. CRYPT space K.
So guys, andito po si Jollibee. Sabi niya daw, keep driveway open. Tapos,
Ako.
nasa pa ni Jollibee po si Chloe. Ayan po siya. Ayun.
Grabe.
Boring sa loob. Kahit aircon.
Mas maganda po kayo.
Nakita ko yung patalastas yung exhibit wheels, pero ilaw man. Happy birthday! Yung guys, hindi yun. Guys, dati may ako, bangs ako. Hi! Dahil bored na kami, nagsising pa rin kami.
Nalala ko pa dati si Anje bago may bangs yun.
Oo.
Yung grade 2.
Nakakatawa dati. Kinupitan ako ng lolo ko tapos ang bangs. Tapos, hindi pantay. Pag gano'n.
Nalala ko pa yung daddy.
Or alternate pag gano'n ka. Chat na nga natin sinabaka kung anong ginagawa.
So guys, ito po lahat ng medals ko. Kinder to grade 3. So, nung kinder po ako, second honor po ako. Ayan po. So, ito po, kinderan po to. Most dependable. Tapos, ito naman yung sa grade 1 po ako. Yung multiple intelligence, computer proficiency, tas spelling bee, participant in Embarcadero. Tapos, ito po yung grade 1 ako, grade 2, and grade 3. Lahat po yun with honors. So, before we end this video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Bye!